Now we have a graph. In this graph, velocity time graph, VT graph, velocity time graph. In this velocity time, if you see a straight line, a solid straight line is known as constant, and its velocity is increasing velocity is the acceleration. So the first segment is constant acceleration up to this. After that, the velocity is not increasing, so it is constant. So we can say constant velocity. And you can see here the velocity is decreasing and it's also a straight line. So you can say constant deceleration. Constant deceleration. So there are three segments. And what are we going to find here? Average acceleration for the segment 1. I want to find acceleration. If you want to find acceleration from the VT graph, velocity time graph, we need to find the slope. Slope of the first segment is y by x. Slope is equal to y by x. The y value is 30. From here to here, you can see 30. Divided by x. X value is from here to here 6. So the answer is 5 meter per second square. Or you can do like this, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here the points you can give 0, 0, x1, y1 here. X2, y2, 6, 30. This is x2, y2. So you can write y2 is 30, y1 is 0, x2 is 6, x1 is 0. 30 over 6 is equal to 5 meter per second square. So you can use either y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 or y by x. Segment number 2. Segment number 2 is parallel to the x-axis and there is no slope. You can write to no slope. So acceleration is equal to 0. It's very simple. And segment number 3. You want to find the acceleration. Write the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So at this point here is x1 y1. So x1 is 12 and y1 is 30, and here x2 is 24 and y2 is 0 here. So here you can give x1 y1, x2 y2. Write the value y2 0, y1 30, x2 24, x1 is 12. So your answer is minus 2.5 meter per second square. This minus represents the speed or the velocity decreases. So here you can see in the third segment the velocity is decreasing. We get negative answer. The acceleration is negative for the, if the acceleration is negative, if the acceleration is positive, that is speed up, acceleration is negative, slow down, acceleration is 0, constant velocity. This is a positive. A positive means increasing speed or velocity, decreasing speed or velocity, and constant velocity is acceleration is 0. Next we have to find the total distance traveled by the car from 0 to 24. 0 to 24. So we want to find the distance in the VT graph. If I want to find the distance or displacement, we have to find area under the graph. Area under the graph. Here there are three segments. You can take this first segment triangle, second segment is the rectangle, and third segment is the triangle. So half BH plus length into breadth plus half BH. You can put all the values and add it. You can find the answer, or you can use the complete um, the shape. You can take a complete shape as a trapezium, and the formula for trapezium is half b a plus b, half a plus b into h. Where is a? You can take the parallel side. Any parallel side is a. So if I take this parallel side or this parallel side as a, it's up to you. I want to take this parallel side as a. So this value is 6 to 12. Here is 6, here is 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So right, the length is 6, and the B length is 0 to 24. So 24, and the height is the vertical height here from, you can see from the y-axis 30, 0 to 30. So here is 30. So the answer is 450 meters. That is the total distance traveled from 0 seconds to 24 seconds.